Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create Beeswarm chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, click on Get More Visuals. Done. Now, activate the comparison. Not the comparison, activate the correlation. Yeah, activate the correlation. And here is it, Beeswarm chart. Click on it. Press Add. By pressing this Add button, this app will appear in the visualization interface. Here is it. Click on it. So we'll have to specify the B category. So pick up the subcategory and drop it. Activate the focus mode. So at present, everything is in the same row. So we require y-axis. So pick up the y-axis and drop it here. So now the position of this bubble represents the profit. So here, copiers are profitable businesses and tables are loss-making businesses. So the tables are loss-making business. Now let's include the time scale in it. So x-axis, pick up the year and drop it here. So now you can see this one, the copiers, uh, its profit is increasing, see, year-wise, right? Now let's include one more measure, and that is a size. So pick up the sales and drop it here. So the size of the bubble represents the sales. The more the bubble size, more the sales. The position represents the profit and the color represents the subcategory. So here, just see this brown. It's a subcategory is chair. Profit is 7K. Now here, the profit has reduced to 6K. Further, here the profit has still reduced. But here the profit has increased to 8K. So this is how you can create the bee swarm chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.